There's a 2021 Sherco SE 125. This thing is sick though, dude. What the hell? This is like Allen's. He's getting a 300 though. I've never really seen these things up close. Sick little motor. KYB suspension. Gaffer rotors. Holy smokes. This thing is insane, dude. It's got a headlight, but it has electric start. E-Force, key and carb, O-ring chain. Okay, so we got the 2022 TX300i. So this is basically my bike, but it has fuel injection. So what's different? It has a cap here for, I guess that's for the oil fill. Interesting. It has some other lights here, like a FI light. My bike doesn't have that stuff on it. Mine does have electric start. Mine has a carburetor. This one does not have a carburetor, so it just has a throttle body. And then it has the TPI, so you basically have to have a fuel pump in here. You have to power the fuel pump. You have to... And where's the TPI? It goes right into the transport ports. There's something there that's not on my bike. And the transfer ports are... There's one right there, the injector. There's no kickstand on this one. I mean, a kickstart. All these new TPIs, I'm not sure if I'm sold on them. They sure do look nice. I think the bike weighs significantly more. It's like around 230. $2022. Oh, that's a 150. I thought it was a 125. Never mind. 150s are cool, but I'd like a 125 would be better. Here's the 80s. Look at that nice thing. Sick looking. A little electric bike. Oh, here's a 125. So they do got the 125. The 125 is right here. The 125s. What is this one? That's a 250i. Why does it have a gray seat? That's interesting. Oh, I guess, is that how they are now, I guess? It's got a gray seat. TE300. Oh, this one's pretty sick too.
If the hours are the same, everything is the same, right? The price is going to be the same. But if you go out on a cross-country tour, it comes back and there's only one front fork and stuff like that, then things would change. Hey, we have a 140 Obviously, it's a smaller height than one if you want it checked out, or you can put a deposit down on one.
Look at how clean this thing is, man. Still got that carburetor. Thing rubber mounted? Yeah. Wow. Super nice looking. Honda 450. Got all kinds of KTMs. All the 2022 models are in. It's crazy. 85. Here's the little electric bikes. How much do they want for these things? Oh my god. Look at how sick they are, dude. Here's the sold. They got over here. What's this? Cowie? 2022 Cowie? Oh my god. Okay, so we got the 2022 Kawasaki 450. That thing is insane. It's got electric start now. Super slim. Pipes are always a little long on those Kawasaki's. They just decided to ditch the F as if it was a two-stroke or something. These guys. Should make two-stroke again. Too bad they don't. Sick looking bike though. Okay, so here's the CR250. 2002 green sticker. Got it all lubed up. It's got the V-force.
Where's the monkeys?
It's a trippy looking tank. It's got a kickstand. That's kind of cool. That's aftermarket right there. That's a custom bracket, I guess. Is this painted? It's hard to say, man. It looks... Might have freshened it up.
Nothing wrong?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, monkey.
That one there?
Yeah, 21445.
Alright.
It's not really quite as clean as I thought it was. Oh, it's got Easton. Look at those gigantic freaking bars. Those were like... You had to get a special clamp and everything. It's a little ridiculous now. It's a cool looking bike. Alright, we out here with the 2022 Yamaha YZ250. So it's actually 270. And she a little bad girl. She a little bad girl. I'll say that again. Riding when no one else can. Got that green sticker, bro. That desirable green sticker. It's just 18-inch rear, brand new tire.